Hi, welcome to day 26. Actually, I'm recording this video a little later, so I will keep it very short. And please take your time and read the disclaimers. And most commonly make the um, mistakes made by the unprofessional traders and instead of unprofessional we can say who are all we are still learning those people, traders and investors, they will do that. So we have completed November month and we have seen this detailed in November summary video. You can take a go and take a look what is this everything. And in that our we have predicted RO around the range, and 61 percentage the Nifty closed in that range. So these are all in detail we saw, and around 19% profit we got in the November. And December it's still going on, and our range is 24 to 25. And I will tell this is just I will tell what is this change I made. Then we can close it. This is the previous day position, and in that one in the money 24,000 CE December I have at around at around 533.42. So uh, today, like 26th day, day 26th, 3rd December, it went up. So because of that, the I closed that position, and I booked the profit, actually booked the profit, and I minimized the risk. 24,500 CE I bought in, and I sold 24,000 CE, so that instead of you can see 69,000 rupees, it's almost a big huge amount. It's there in one buy call, so it's a huge risk. So I minimized it with 30,330 rupees. So it's a not 30,000. Yes. So I minimized that. So and what's the reason is like because we have 24,300 CE, if already it went up more. So if it goes down a little bit, then by 5th December, then we can make some profit in the this position, and this position we can adjust it later. So that's the aim. So that's why I closed only one, booked the profit. And on that day, the creeks will be like this, and December 26th position and 30th position, these are all I made it respectively. So even if Nifty moves by 3 percentage by 5th December, and 26th December, that 24,500 position, if this will become this, so the losses will be around 48, but it will be unlikely it will happen. um, so that's a thing. And these are all creeks, and from that it crossed 350, the level 350 the day. So that's about today, and there will be minor change in gold, and it will make big difference in our our setup, because we have very less quantity. Going forward we will keep adding those. That's all. Thank you.